Wednesday, December 13, 2023. Saint Lucy. Focus. They who wait for the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. I have two superwomen in my life. A wife who had one of her kidney removed due to renal cancer, and a mother who has suffered multiple hip fractures. But both of them are up and running. Nothing hinders them from going about life with a positive mindset. And their secret is their abiding faith in God. They are living proof of truth of today's focus. I claim to have a deep faith in God. But many a times I grow weary because I have neglected to take up Jesus' offers. Come to me, and I will give you a rest. In times of trouble, I flutter because I tend to wait on my own strength rather than God's. Sometimes I am engrossed with cares of this world and takes my eyes off the cross. What Jesus asked me to do is take his yoke upon me, which he says is a light. What makes it light is the fact that he shoulders the entire weight of yoke, and I am just tied alongside. What I need to do is follow him through the ups and downs of life. He will help me do the will of his Father. Fruits. I will make Jesus the source of my strength, and with this strength I will help others.